亲爱的天父，愿你赐福这一对新人，愿他们的爱就像这结婚戒指一般，无条件的、无止境的爱，那么美好，那么圆满，直到永生。我们祷告是奉靠主耶稣的名，阿门。
Shook the best when your love was on, storing up on your summer glow. You
Ada satu pribadi yang turut bekerja mendatangkan kebaikan dalam pernikahan kalian, yaitu pribadi Tuhan Yesus. Sertakan Tuhan dalam membangun rumah tangga kalian.
而是3个人同行，有一位一直在你们当中动工，带来美善的，就是主耶稣上帝。愿你们在建立家庭的过程中，时刻与主同行。
Shelly has always been very precious to us. She has brought so much love, laughter, and warmth into our family. Watching her grow into the woman she is today has been one of the greatest blessings of my life.
Shelly selalu menjadi anak yang sangat berharga bagi kami. Ia membawa begitu banyak cinta, tawa, dan kehangatan ke dalam keluarga kami. Melihatnya bertumbuh menjadi wanita yang luar biasa seperti hari ini adalah salah satu berkat terbesar dalam hidup saya.
Please rise up. We will welcome Shelly Liao.
From the moment I met you on that cold winter morning, I knew there was something special about you. I didn't realize how deeply I could love until I met you.
Thank you for standing by her and for beginning this journey with her. It means so much to us to see her with someone who cares for her so deeply.
结婚，我想每个人心中一定都有不同的定义。今天是属于 Shelly 和 Samuel 特别的一天，但未来也还有更多的日子会带着你们不断往前。或许生活中困难的事，无法互相理解的时刻会出现，但我相信所有一起经历的时光，会让我们继续陪伴在彼此身边。祝福你们能一直真诚的互相了解，自在的出发，然后回到彼此安心的所在，一起累积更多的故事。
Tentang pernikahan, saya rasa setiap orang pasti memiliki definisinya masing-masing. Hari ini adalah hari yang sangat spesial bagi Shelly dan Sam. Namun di masa depan masih akan ada banyak hari lain yang akan terus membawa kalian melangkah maju bersama. Mungkin akan ada masa-masa sulit atau momen ketika kalian tidak selalu saling memahami. Tetapi saya percaya semua waktu yang kalian lalui bersama akan membuat kalian terus saling menemani. Saya mendoakan agar kalian selalu dapat saling memahami dengan tulus, melangkah dengan tenang, dan selalu kembali menemukan rasa nyaman satu sama lain sambil menciptakan lebih banyak cerita indah bersama.
I don't stand here with complete certainty. These past months have been more than I expected. Well, some of the things I ended up doing alone. So I started to ask myself, if the future is going to be like this, am I really ready for the marriage? I'm not even sure that I can fully trust you when things get difficult. I know these words are not romantic, but they are very true. For me, marriage is never a promise that can be made lightly. I can't say today that I'll always do this or I'll always do that, but I have not walked away. And even in the middle of all this uncertainty, I choose to be here. Because at the same time, being with you, I can see the side of myself, this messy, angry, stubborn side. And you don't turn away, you don't leave. You stay patient, you stay gentle, and you stay. And that makes me feel incredibly lucky. I'm here not because everything has been easy, but because even after seeing all these parts of myself, I still choose to be here with you. I don't know what the future will bring, but I do know that I want to keep figuring it out with you, even when it's messy and even when it's hard.
Love to you. I am not scared of the elements. I am underprepared, but I am willing. And even better, I get to be the other half of you.
And now I know I never want to live a life without you in it. As far as I'm aware, I already learned the two most important things in my life. Yes, dear, and I'm sorry. Today, I also make these promises to you. I promise to stand by you through every high and every low. I promise to understand you better and to always respect you. I promise to support your dreams just as much as our own. I promise to keep choosing you and taking care of you every day, no matter what.
And I've seen Sam change his perspective to the better, and at the same time we were in the same mindset, same maturity. We look forward building the career, the life, pretty much a family. And then I, along with everybody here, uncle, auntie, my best mate Sam, Shelly, we wish you all the best to this next chapter in life. So cheers guys for this lifetime of celebration. Cheers.
然后今天之后呢，他就会成为 Sam 的伴侣，然后 Sam 的家族的新的成员。但我想要祝福廖宇轩，就是不管在哪一种女性的 都是鸡尾酒的问题啦。不管在哪一种女性角色里面，你都要超级幸福。
Mulai hari ini ia akan menjadi istri Sam, sekaligus anggota baru dalam keluarga Sam. Saya ingin mendoakan Shelly semoga dalam perjalanan hidup kamu dapat merasakan kebahagiaan dalam setiap peran sebagai seorang perempuan.
And most importantly, I will promise to love you fully, faithfully, and forever. You are my partner, my best friend, and my home. And today I choose you for the rest of my life.